In this video, we will discuss about the Wipro procedure from phase 1 to phase 7. Here we will talk about the topics like aptitude, technical round, HR round, background verification, PJP, PRP, project, OGT, bids registration and joining. Please watch till end to know about Wipro program. Please like, share and subscribe if you get help from this video. We first talk about phase 1. In phase 1 we all know that we have to clarify assessment test, that is aptitude test. After that, when you get mail for technical round, you have to give technical round. After you completing your technical round, you again get a mail for HR round. This phase was done in a single day in past years. However, as Wipro adopted the universal exam scheme, the phase is extended to 4 to 5 months and the next phase is phase 2. In this phase, you need to upload the mandatory documents for background verification through iVerify portal. This is a slow process since you need to wait for a longer time to get a response from them. In my friend's case, it was 1.5 to 2 months on average. If any documents are missing during the phase, then it can be uploaded later after joining. You need to make sure that you have the proper reason provided in the clarification. After clarifying these rounds, you will be gone in phase 3, which is where you will be advised to pre-joining program as PJP. A mentor will be assigned to you. She is going to take session and will provide you lectures for the content in the PBL app. The sessions are recorded and can be accessed later with their links. During this time, most of you might have classes going on in your college, so you can inform the mentor and attend your classes. Post class, you can follow up with the recorded videos. After completion of the PJP, a test will be conducted and you need to pass it. It's a conventional to pass the test. After that, you will go on to phase 4. In phase 4, the next phase will be Project Readiness Program, that is PRP. This is the program where they are going to take sessions for you, transitions from students to employee. This phase will also consist of the Technology Readiness Program and Corporate Readiness Program. You will also go through the STEP plus English assessment, that means to test your language skills, and also you will be having the module based assessment part for your PRP. In phase 5, post completion of your PRP, you will receive calls from the respective project team who require resources like engineers like you. You might need to give a short interview on what all learned in PRP, PJP. After that, you will be selected into the project. You have an opportunity to decline the project offer. If you are not any project, then you will be considered as an individual in the free pool. In this phase, you need to give an interview whatever you have learned in PJP and PRP. This is the second last phase of the program. After selecting into the project, you will be given the training for your job role, or you will be provided learning materials for your job role. This totally depends on the project you are into, and once you are ready for the work, you will be put into the floor, that means production environment, and will be given the OJT, that meaning on job training, for 1 to 3 months. After this phase, you are ready to face all the problems related the company, and you will be noted as a project manager or any other role. This is the last phase of this program, where you have already joined the Wipro Whale program. In less than 12 months from your joining, you will receive the BITS registration mail, that is Birla Institute of Technology, and you will be advised for your classes accordingly. That means after that all the phases, you are a complete employee of the Wipro and also a student of Birla Institute of Technology. And you have to work in work days, and you have to study in weekends. You will get also many benefits in Wipro. You will also provided a laptop for your working.